let's go ahead and start with the unboxing. It's very pretty and very well packaged too. I mean, the reason I made this order was because I actually ran out of glue tape, so I ordered some, and this is my first order from Stationery Pal. The reason I'm actually even making this video is because of this one thing. I ordered a glass dip pen. Here, I'll start with this first. I ordered this glass dip pen over here, and it was about $1 and I think 10 cents, and that's the cheapest I've seen it anywhere. And so I was just curious. Okay, here, I didn't even need to. I don't think there's anything else in here. Yeah, this is quite pretty. Here, let me see if I can. And so I'm curious because of how cheap it was. It was $1, like I said, I think $1.10 or so. I saw this on the Stationery Pal website. I went to the website specifically for this glue tape, but when I saw this, I was like, oh, I want to try this. Because usually I see it a lot more expensive in different stores. So I'd like to test this out, and I'm gonna go ahead and do that on camera. I don't have that much of high expectations for this glue tape or the glass dip pen. I just hope it does right. I wonder if I need to dip it in water first, just to like get any type of like factory residue or anything. I don't know if it does, but I dipped it in water and I'm gonna dry it now. These were the ink swatches I made a couple of weeks ago. So let's see how this goes. I have this, the Monteverde pumpkin cake. I don't want to get too much ink in it. Let me put this to the side. Yeah, this actually writes pretty well. I'm so happy about this. And especially for the price I got it. And you can tell there's, I think, pink glitter. There's different options on the website, but I got the pink glitter one. Yeah, I'm actually quite impressed by this. I mean, I didn't have much of an expectation. I just wanted it to work. And I've never had, FYI, I've never had a glass dip pen. I was just curious because of how cheap it was. And there, you can hear scratchiness. I don't know if my phone can pick it up, but there is like a scratchiness sound to it. And the paper is Tomoe River paper. Okay, and here I have some water. I'll test Diamine Ancient Copper next. I really don't need much ink on this at all. Yeah, that's very nice. I really love that. This writes so well. I could probably even like journal with it. Yeah, I was not expecting it to like, oh, I got some ink on me. Yeah, I gotta be careful with that to make sure my fingers do not dip too low. All these colors are pretty similar. I bought them from my Kokuyo golden espresso, so that's why. And I wanted like different colored browns and oranges, like fall colors. And the last one I want to test out is the Monteverde brown sugar. And I think it's this one over here. Yeah. Verde brown sugar. I've never had Like I said, I've never had a glass dip pen before, so this is my first experience, and so far it's pleasant. Like, it writes. I don't know like how to necessarily compare it to how other glass dip pens behave. That's very nice. And that's all that's required for it to like clean, so that's very nice too. So this was, yeah, like $1.10. I'm quite impressed. I didn't have much expectations for it, but it looks very nice and it performs well enough for my needs. Like, I'm not using it for like any type of lettering or anything or calligraphy. I just wanted it so I could test inks in the future. Here, I'll put that over here. The next thing I got, here, I got these tweezers. And this is specifically, I got them because you can use them to like remove stickers, like for better control, and then like placing them in your journal, so like you can like pick things easier. Here, let me try with these. And so if I wanted to like place something on here, it's just for better like precision control. And this was also less than was probably like $1.10 as well, so fairly cheap. That will be like a useful thing. I got some freebies. This cute winter hat that says love, and then this pen that says 90s best hits. Like, you can put this on your bag or something, so these freebies are nice. Now let me try the glue tape. This is the Kokuyo dot liner, junior and small size. So yeah, it sticks pretty well. This is pretty much the same thing, the Kokuyo dot liner. Can't even get this open. Oh, there we go. But there's some designs on it. Like, I think there's hearts. Let me see. Slide open. Oh, okay. This works. And this is actually, this was my, the one I usually use that ran out of the glue. And so it's similar in size. And this one is bigger, almost twice the size. But apparently this has like a, I think this is like a limited edition. for Kokuyo. Real me. It's really hard to see, but there's like heart designs on it, and I don't know what the purpose of that is because it's like glue, so you're supposed to like, it's not gonna, well, it does actually kind of show for this one. I don't know if the camera can pick it up, the heart designs. It's a nice effect, I guess. I like how this opens and closes. And then I got the same one, except it's in yellow, and I think it's a star design. And this is a different company. It's the Norino company called Norino, I think. And it's called the Norino Plus, so they even have instructions in the back. It says push. Oh, okay. Oops. I think this opens the entire cartridge. Okay. Yeah, it looks like if I just wanna... Where is... Oh, there. It's a twist. Yeah, I haven't used this before, so... Works well enough. And I think that's all I ordered. Yeah, and this is twist and cap. That's all I ordered.